Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. So today we'll be doing something a little bit different. We'll be designing a party flyer, social media party flyer. So let's start by bringing our first image, which is the beach image. Note that for the purpose of this video, I had already cut some stuff short, meaning this image was not originally blurry. I applied a Gaussian blur effect to it, making it a little bit blurry like this. So drag in the bubble image like this, bubble image, expand it to your preference like this, the width to your preference, drag it down like this. So let's make this bubble look more realistic. You come to your beach, tap your beach here, create new layer, B for brush on your keyboard. Click on your gradient tool, rather, not brush, click on your gradient tool. So you come on this new layer, you drag like this, gently. Note that I used this background here to do the bubble, this color fill here. This is what I did here. See, I did this, I tap like this. So I use 64B1D0. Click OK. So let's drag in our other images. Click on your beach. No, we want it to be the lady image to be below the bubble image. So you come to your file here, dragging your lady image like this. Drag it here. So you can reduce the size to your preference. Easy. So it's a bit like this. Yes. Click OK. You see that it's looking more realistic here. So come to your image also here, drag in your glass cup image, reduce the size. Okay, click OK. Let's drag this up. Yes, drag it like this. Yes, click OK. Drag in your vodka image. You can use other images too, it's allowed. This is just to give you an idea of how some of these flyers that you see online is being done. So you can reduce the size, you can add as many images as possible. Click OK. So next, let us add more life to this lady image. So you click on your beach image here, press B on your keyboard for brush. Create new layer rather. Now change this one, click on this to turn to white, so it will click behind this lady. Click once. You can change the blend mode to color dodge add, reduce the fill a little bit so it won't look too loud. Now let us add text. Come up, click here, T on your keyboard. T on your keyboard. Open bar. Drag this up. I think the image was down. You can drag it up. Yes. Open bar. You can increase it. Open bar. Okay, the font I used here was Corporation Games Regular. Click OK. So let us just Ctrl J it Ctrl J, drag it up like this. So beach, beach, beach. Let's change the font of the beach to Proceros. P-R-O-C, Proceros. Yes, Proceros. Increase the font or the font size a little bit. Then click OK. Click OK. So for you to have the effect that we want, Ctrl T, come to skew. You can tilt it any way you want. Let me choose this. Yes, let me choose this beach. So Ctrl J to make it beach party. P-A-R-T-Y, beach party. So you can decide to add drop shadow too to give you more life. Drop shadow, increase the opacity of the shadow. You can play around with this. Click OK. Just copy the layer style, copy it, then come to your beach and paste layer style. Makes your work easier and faster. So let's just add a little bit of life to the whole scene. So you click on this, the upper layer. Now create a new layer. Come here, you want to use this blue, so B on your keyboard, tap once. Change the blend mode to, let's see, let's change the blend mode to probably screen. Drag, can expand. Let's try color dot add. Can expand. Okay, click OK. Now Ctrl J it, can drag like this. Can drag like this. Let's drag it this way. Can drag like this. Simple. Let's also add some life also to it. A little bit of life. Bubble. Dragging your bubble. Let's expand the bubble. To your preference. Change the blend mode to, let's say, divide. Yes. So that's how you design your party flyer. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.